Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Will and welcome to this Popcorn BUSD miner. This is a smart contract with an audit that came out just 2 days ago. It has some amazing features. The daily payouts are awesome. This is something legit, something that can change the game. This is not like those plans that we used to jump for a couple of days. Forget about all of that. I've been digging a lot, trying to find the real information that can lead us to projects that are profitable. In the last couple of weeks, I've been getting into the miners, getting into the smart contracts, digging inside protocols that can assure we're gonna get profits daily with the smart contracts, especially if they have audits. You don't gonna find rug pulls the next day you invest your money. The risk in this kind of projects are different. Those risks are more into the evolution of the whole capital, but the key here is to find miners that are having proven results, that are working with coins that are stable, that have certifications, and this is what I found here with the popcorn claims. This is a BUSD miner based on BSC. This is the Binance Smart Chain. These guys are offering 16% daily rewards. They are giving us access to the Telegram group, Twitter. The popcorn claims are based in the BUSD coin from the Binance blockchain. But inside the miner, they are having a native token, which is the POP token. I went around to check about these guys. Of course, I came here where I can see how the most popular miners right now in the market are performing. I found it here, the Popcorn BUSD miner based on Binance. They are having only 2 days running. In only the 2 days, they are already collecting $14,000 inside of the contract. And you can check that. We have access here to the contract. There is the 14,000, almost 15,000 in 2 days. They have the contract here. You can see the evolution. You can see that one also here. Look at this evolution. They are at 93% and growing. This is insane. If you look at to the other miners, some of those are falling. And the ones that are going good, they are not as good as this one. This 93% is crazy. Now, if we look at daily payouts, 16% daily. I'm working in different miners because that's my thing right now. If you've been following my channel, you know that I'm into the BNB Miner. It's growing. Every day I come, compound, collect profits. The Trust Miner, look at my evolution. I came here with only 400. Now I'm in 1,300 today. The Frost Flakes, another legit project that I jumped yesterday. I'm already collecting rewards, and those ones are in BNB. This is going to be huge. I'm staking in Avarice. I'm staking in AVAX Land. I have accounts in Drip. Back to this one, Trust Miner. This one is giving me 3% daily. And it's been only a few weeks, and I already tripled my amount here with 3%. This one is going to give us 16%. How cool is that? So I'm totally into this. During this video, I'm going to show you how to get started, how to connect your wallet, how to deposit BUSD, because that's the coin that we need to use. Here we'll find the miner, but let's go below and let me show you the referral program. Yes, they have another way to give you extra rewards directly to your TVL. You can earn 13% of the BUSD used to hire miners. So if you bring someone here by copying this link, sending it to your family, to your friends, to your traffic, after they deposit in BUSD, you're going to have a 13% over that deposit. That's pretty cool. Right here, how to start mining. Super easy. First, you have to enter BUSD to your wallet. Then you click hire miners. Then this is a process that the mining is going to do by itself. Miners find tokens. Then you compound that amount, let it grow, and come back here and withdraw your profits. We are in control of the whole situation. We know what is going to happen. We know where our money is going. This is a smart contract tied to the Binance Smart Chain. just a real miner, real people behind all of this that are going to help you to generate passive income. All right. They have a verified public contract, the one that I just showed you, and you can get access just by clicking this link. You go directly to the contract. Look, as we speak, already one more thousand inside of the contract. Awesome. And if we go to the top, you can also access the contract by clicking here. You have a KYC. If you want to check, you have all of that there. Or if you want to see the audit, yes, you can come, click here. You will see it. Just in case you want to read more about this project, you want to find out how they're going to maintain this in a long term, well, you can come, read it all on your own time. All the documents, they are putting it here, the white papers. This is a serious thing. They are explaining all the steps that you're going to be having inside of the miner, how the BUSD is involved inside of the whole plan, how the POP token works, how the POP miner works, the roadmap, the referral program, the NFT market, airdrops, promotions, all of that, you're going to find it here. So I'm ready to do it. To do that, we come here to the mining. Let me make this smaller. Yeah. Now, this is how it's going to work. We're going to be depositing money here that is going to be locked in the contract, right? You will see the evolution and your profits added to this balance. Your money is locked. How are you going to get it back? You're going to get it back through the 16% in profits. And if they are giving us 16% daily in more or less 6 or 7 days, you will get your investment back, and the rest is profit. You got it? There are the 4 steps inside the miner. First, we hire miners. Then those miners are going to be digging, collecting profits, collecting tokens, and that one is going to be added to your barrel. Now, after your miners collect all the tokens, all the profits, you can compound those. That means you can reinvest. They're going to be higher again. They're going to do the same process again. That is if we compound. If we pocket our BUSD, we simply click here after they finish the whole process, and you can just claim your profits. How to deposit here? Pretty simple. You need a MetaMask, or you need any wallet. In my case, I'm using MetaMask. If you don't have a wallet, if you don't have a MetaMask, I'm going to put a video right here showing you how to do it, how to create one, and how to add the smart chain. This is the Binance smart chain. That's the only way that you can make this work. If you use the Ethereum, which is the native one, it's not going to work. You need smart chain. Once you have that, now you need to add the token here. I have it already, the BUSD. But in case you don't have it, let me show you. Let me remove this. So probably you have something like this. You don't have the BUSD. What you can do is go to the coinmarketcap.com. Once you are here in currencies, scroll down, you will see all the main currencies here. You will find this BUSD. This is the one that we're going to use. So click there. We click here in more. We need to add this BNB Smart Chain to our wallet. All right. Not this one, Ethereum. No, this one. The BNB Smart Chain. So when I click here in the Add to MetaMask, it's going to open my MetaMask. Ask me if I want to add my token. Yes. Now if we go back, boom, we have it here, the BUSD. That's the one we need. Send your investment there. Depends of how much you want to put inside of the miner. Okay, let me send some BUSD here. Okay, I put 200 here. It shows my balance. But anyways, I need to insert here how much I want to invest inside of the contract. They are going to ask for permission only the first time that you connect your wallet. It's going to have a small fee. Okay, they're going to take it from there. It's important to leave a small amount to pay fees. I'm going to leave only $2. Then I click approve BUSD. We need to pay the fees in every transaction. Confirm. Once we do that, now we can hire miners. So I'm going to put the 195, and it's going to hire this much of miners. Click. Let's go. And as you can see, started digging already. This is going to be increasing over the next 24 hours. Once these 24 hours goes to 0, that means the whole cycle is full. Now you can compound, so reinvest again with the new profits, or you can pocket your BUSD. I'm going to keep you updated. If you want to check and read the whole project, remember you're going to find a link down below the description of this video that is going to take you directly to this page. Let me remind you that I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not allowed to give you any financial advice. If you need any financial advice, you need to find someone who can give it to you. I'm just a guy in YouTube that is sharing his experiences with these platforms. I'm super excited with this new project because it's going to give us a huge payout. And if you want to find out more, I want to invite you to subscribe and hit the bell to get notifications from all of my upcoming videos. If you found some value here, smash the like button, because that is going to help me not only to grow this channel, but also to put this information out there, and this might help someone else too. If you have any questions, you can leave those down below in the comment section. I hope to see you in the next update. Bye.